need to introduce my dog, Princess. Say hi, Princess. And there's Runt over there laying in the ground. Runt. Come here, bud. Princess and Runt. Runt is a lot fluffier. He's been around a lot longer. Princess, she's literally just a puppy, not even a year old yet. And yet she's bigger than Runt. And Runt's been around for 7 years. Yeah. Here's a clearer look if you did not see him before. That easily. And I love both my dogs to death. Sorry, that was bad lighting because I'm outside. I just really wasn't feeling good today. That's why it took me so long to even think of a video. But I got this YouTuber, That One Potato. He's going to be helping me. He's going to show me how to upload videos off my Xbox. But until then, mainly going to be vlogs. And you gotta remember, I ain't that good with the camera because this is my phone. So, yeah. That's all I have to say. And, listen, if I can reach 10 subscribers, I will give a shout out to all of the subscribers. And eventually, I'm hoping that someone